Good afternoon. Our running topic, human circulatory system. This is the part of human physiology, body fluids and circulation. In this chapter, our topic, human circulatory system. This human circulatory system is also called blood vascular system. This blood vascular system or human circulatory system consists of three portions. First one is muscular chambered heart. First one is muscular chambered heart. Next, network of closed branching blood vessels. Then third one is blood. Right now we enter into the human heart. That heart is muscular chambered. Heart derived from mesodermal. You know very well, particularly these chordates, invertebrates, these human beings, these are triploblastic organisms. The triploblastic organisms, three germ layers are there. One is ectoderm, then mesoderm and endoderm. Here, this heart is formed from the mesoderm. That's why this is derived from the mesodermal origin. Then, location of heart. This is in a thoracic region or thoracic cavity. Thoracic cavity that is situated at mediastinum region. Mediastinum region. Where is it mediastinum? That is in between two lungs. In between two lungs. Yeah, what is the size of that? And then what is the shape? And then weight? Then all these are also will learn. First of all, the shape. Conical shaped structure. Conical shape. You know, conical is that gives the appearance of somewhat this cone shaped structure. This is the broad portion. Then this is the apex, somewhat tapered, and we are identifying. So appearance is that conical shape. Then size. The size is clenched fist. Clenched fist size means particularly in our palm, yes, at the time of closing of that, yes, which size is there, that much size of heart. Particularly in gender difference also we are identifying. Yeah, yes, whose clenched fist size, that size is maintained by their heart. What is the weight? It's weight of heart. Yeah, any variation is there, particularly in adults. In adults, there is size variation we are identifying. Some are in a medium height, and then some are in a medium size, okay, small size, and then there's a gigantic physics also we are identifying, okay. Yeah, yes, whatever it, the maximum weight is 250 grams, 250 grams to 350 grams of weight. Then this heart is protected by, yeah, yes, which one is protected here? Yeah, yes, anything is protected. Yes, that is protected by that rib cage is there. In the thoracic cavity, that rib cage that is protected. And then that heart also covers with a double layered membrane, that is the pericardium. Actually, that gives the appearance of bag-like appearance. It's protected by pericardium. This pericardium is two layered, double layered, or a double walled pericardium, that is a bag-like structure. Yes, this is a double walled. This bag-like structure. Bag-like structure. This double wall. Yeah, yes, which walls are there? See here. This outer wall, then inner wall. Yeah, yes, what is that outer? What is that inner? Here, outer wall is fibrous pericardium. Inner, serous pericardium. Again, see here, just we are drawing one diagram like this. This is a heart. This heart is covered by double layered. Actually, in the double layered wall, see here, this is one layer, and then other layer also is there. This is the another layer. This is the outer fibrous layer. This black one. Okay. See here, this is fibrous pericardium. Then this blue one, serous pericardium. Again, this serous pericardium. See, serous pericardium. In this, again, two layers we are identifying. Yes, outer layer, outer parietal pericardium, then inner visceral pericardium. Parietal pericardium and visceral pericardium. These two layers we are identifying. In these two layers, see here, actually this is a serous, this is a, yeah, one layer. Actually, in this layer, we are identifying that two. One is a parietal pericardium, then this one is a visceral pericardium. In between these two layers, some space is there. That space is treated as pericardial space. What is the importance of this space? This pericardial space is, the space is filled with fluid. That fluid is called pericardial fluid. So what is the importance of this pericardial fluid? This fluid is useful for act as a shock absorber. Actually, any external shocks, due to entry of that external shocks, then this fluid will be protect the heart from that external shocks. Chambers. Four-chambered heart. Four-chambered. In this four-chambered, upper two chambers, lower two chambers. Upper two chambers and this lower two chambers. These upper two chambers are called atria. Atria or auricles. These lower two chambers, these are ventricles. Ventricles. These atria small in size. These ventricles large in size. This atria, those are receiving chambers. Receiving chambers. These ventricles are pumping chambers. These muscle chambers receives blood from where? Receives blood from receiving chambers. These chambers receive blood from vena cava, those are two. Pre-caval vein, post-caval vein. Not only these two, the coronary sinus. Sinus also supplies blood to right atria. Actually, these two are supplies blood to right atria. Yes, this right atria. This right atria receives the blood from all these. All these. Okay, then what about that left atria? This left atria. This left atria receives the blood. Actually, this atria receiving the chambers. So, right atria and the left atria is there. The right atria receives blood from these three, and then the left atria receives from where? From lungs. Left atria receives blood from lungs through pulmonary vein. Okay, right now we enter into these ventricles. Actually, the ventricles are those large in size, and then the pumping chambers. They pumps the blood. Okay, here this right ventricle is there, right ventricle and left ventricle. These two ventricles are present. This right ventricle, they pumps blood too. Actually, that is the pumping chamber. Right ventricle and the left ventricle both are pumping chambers. This right ventricle pumps the blood. Yes, which blood is pumping? That is a deoxygenated blood. This deoxygenated blood pumps through pulmonary artery to lungs. See, this right ventricle RV pumps blood to lungs through pulmonary artery. After that, what about this left ventricle? Yeah, this left ventricle also pumps blood to body parts. Yes, which body parts? That's from head to toe. Head to toe, they supplies the blood, or they pumping the blood through systemic aorta, and then these arteries, and then these arterial capillaries, then all those are present. All those are used for pumping of blood to the total body part, that is from head to the toe. Okay, yeah, yes, these are chambers.